Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the account and device basics so you don't chase the wrong cause. First, confirm the Google email and any recovery contacts because re-adding requires the correct identity. Once done, make sure your internet date and time are accurate. Google rejects tokens with bad clocks. Then update the OS and core Google services. Outdated services break sign-in. These steps are quick but crucial, and they eliminate common barriers before you touch accounts or caches. Now you dig into sync and permission problems because that's the usual middle culprit. Check settings right arrow accounts for specific error text or disabled sync toggles. That tells you if tokens or permissions failed. Then clear cache and, if necessary, app data for Google Play services, Play Store, and Chrome to force fresh tokens. Next, remove the account, reboot the device to clear session state, and re-add the account while granting requested permissions so sync can establish cleanly. You're on the final stretch. Finalize sign-in and confirm data flow. After re-adding, open Chrome and other Google apps to ensure bookmarks, passwords, and sync items populate. That verifies token exchange. Make sure you respond to two-step verification prompts or insert security keys if required, because those stops block sync. If sign-in still fails, remove the device from your Google account's device list at Accounts. Google.com/security. Wait a few minutes, then attempt sign-in again as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.